Hi, in this video we will learn how to use Zyte API dashboard to download this page with infinite scrolling. So let's just make the first request with the default configuration and see the response. As you can see, it downloaded about 10 codes and not the entire page. Now click on this copy button and you'll notice that we ran the request with the default configuration, which is browser rendering plus screenshot. Now if you want to download the entire page, you can just toggle this button on and request the page again. And as you can see, it downloaded the entire page. Lastly, if you want to extract just the raw HTML of the page, you can toggle both these buttons off and request the page again. And as you can see the response, we got the raw HTML and it just have JavaScript code in there and not even a single code. So to conclude, you can run the request through Zyte API dashboard in 3 different configurations. First one is the default one, browser rendering plus screenshot. And second, if you want to perform any action like scroll to bottom, toggle this button on. And lastly, if you just want the raw HTML of the page, toggle both these buttons off.